Here is the start of a 69 Fastback build with front frame rails, firewall, and complete flooring system already installed. We are now preparing for our Heights Super Ride 2 suspension system to be welded in this front end. This is our 1969 Fastback build with our front frame rails being prepped for our Heights Super Ride 2 independent front suspension system. Notice how we have pre-cut the existing frame rails to accept our Heights independent front suspension system. This is our Heights independent front suspension system for our 69 Mustang build. This is what comes with the cradle assembly to be installed to the existing frame rails. Now we have our Heights independent front suspension in place, ready for welding. We have notched our frame correctly. As you can see, the precise welding. So that it is not noticeable once completed. This is our 69 body build. We are now preparing for the rear package tray and quarter panels. We are now fitting the cowl panel to the 69 body and installing the cowl ends to the door frame assemblies. Notice the additional welds for extra support. Notice the fit inside and under, where it is hidden and you can't see. This is completion of our Super Ride 2 Heights independent front suspension system. Welded and trimmed into our 1969 body Ford Mustang. Notice the perfection of the welds and trimming of the entire assembly into the Mustang cradle.